Hi everyone, welcome to the Go Programming course. I'm Ayan, aka Xcaper, and in this series, we are going to learn Go, also known as Golang, from the ground up. So, Go is like C, but clean, like Python, but compiled, and like Java, but fast. If you're a backend dev, system engineer, or just tired of slow build times, Go is your next language. Trust me, it's pretty crazy. We'll get into it soon. In this series, we are going from Hello World to building real APIs, CLI tools, and concurrent systems, all in Go. Let's dive in. Go is powering tools you have already probably used, like Docker, Kubernetes, CockroachDB, or Hugo. All are made using Go. It's a language of DevOps, cloud engineering, and scalable backends. In 2025, Go is even more relevant than ever. And hiring is up, especially in microservices, blockchain infra, and platform engineer. Quick facts about Go. Compiled to a single binary, no JVM, no venv, no headache of all those. It's just a single binary file that executes very fast, very quickly. Second, built-in concurrency. Concurrency is like parallel, but we can't say actually is parallel tasking. We'll get into it soon. It's pretty awesome. Dependency management with GoMod. It's just like pubspec.yaml for Flutter or package.json for a JavaScript file projects. Batteries included standard library. That means Go has a great standard library. We don't need to import anything extra from outside a third party libraries. It's pretty complete in itself. So the question is Go right for you? If you're coming from Python, JavaScript, or Java, Go will feel weird at first. It's strict, simple, and intentionally minimal. But that's the point. Fewer features, fewer bugs. If you're into clean coding, fast builds, and reliable deployments, Go is 100% worth your time. So, what do you need to get started? A text editor, Go install from go.dev, and a terminal. That's all you need. Yes, that's all. A text editor, VS Code works great. Or Newvin if you are a Vim fanboy. Go install from go.dev. We will surely get into it in the next video. But if you are excited, you are free to explore. A terminal. That's it. Terminal. Every computer has a terminal, isn't it? But we have also got integrated terminal in VS Code. So that's not a bother. Next, go set up and your first program. Let's meet you in the next video.